So this morning, me and Marco were supposed to go to Tucson, but it was storming and raining really hard here. Sierra Vista's monsoon season. Make sure I don't get hit. But he called me and said, we're not going, but to pack all my equipment, and we're going on an adventure. So I don't know what it is, but we'll see what happens. Marco's taking me on an adventure. I don't know what's gonna happen, so we'll see. Marco's got all his gear.
We're ready to go. We're ready to get the best shots for you guys.
All right. Off for a vlog, yeah. All right, so it's raining on the mountain, but like I said, we don't give up. This is my favorite hat, so it's staying in the car. I haven't shaved, you know, so I look a little rough, but I'm not gonna ruin my hat. That's not gonna happen, so stay tuned for more. You see right there, see in the back of me right there is the waterfall. Remember last time when I was out here, I said it was hot, there's no water. Well, it's monsoon season now, so when it rains, you see the waterfall pouring, you can hear it. So now we're gonna hike it up. I bet you didn't know Sierra Vista had this much water. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, that's coming down hard right now. All right, what I just did, it's very dangerous. I mean, look at the water behind me. Don't try it at home. I shouldn't be doing it. But you could slip and fall, and it's over. I mean, look at this. So don't try it at home. Don't try it at all. Hell yeah.
Look at that. Going way up.
All the way up.
All the way up.
All right. Pretty tired. See, I'm sweating. Here we are. Pretty much the base of the waterfall. I think this is as far as we're gonna go for today. We're both exhausted, but oh my God, I'm tired. It's beautiful out here. It's nice. It's cool. It stopped raining. I kind of wish it would rain a little bit, but subscribe to the page. I don't know what else to say. I'm tired. I'm hot. Check it out. There it is. Isn't that just beautiful? time to head back down. He says it's gonna be easy. I don't know, but we'll see. All right, we made it down. I got my hat back. Got my hat back on, so now on to Taco Tuesday. Here we are, Taco Tuesday, Mandalay. I'm exhausted. DJ Crossfades.
Hello.
He did not just say hello on camera. Got my tacos. It's about to go down, Taco Tuesday. Got my drink. Crossfades is laughing. Get on about this, and I got my fries. Only in Mandalay. All right, got my tacos. Taco Tuesday. I'm full, so we're gonna end this right here.